Okay, so we're walking to go for a swim with sexy Adidas. Oh, that's a big pole. Whoa. Whoa. Nah, just kidding. Just kidding. This is a phone. Yeah, me. She didn't see that. Dad, there's crocodile.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Do that again.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Ooh. Ooh. Let's go to the bridge.
The beach?
The bridge.
Oh, so it's just a beach?
No.
No,
Oh my god. Oh.
Look at it. Oh, look, on me.
On you? Are they? Oh my god! Shit! What the hell is that?
That's what I was thinking about. It's like a duck with herpes on the face.
Okay, she's back away.
Let's check something at it.
Okay, she's gonna chuck something at it. Dude, you're supposed to hit it.
Oh yeah.
Let's grab a stick protection. Ah, it's soft. Go and get ready to run.
Bum.
Alright, go something else. Quick, get it before it runs away! Something hard, dude. Or this. Oh. Where'd it go?
Duck with herpes on its face.
Go, hit it!
Whoa.
I think it's wanted because it's not scared of you. Oh! What the hell is that?
This is bum. I told you it's a duck with herpes on its face.
Oh! I thought it would like run at us.
Oh, poor thing. I feel bad now.
Let's do it again. To the other side.
Well, it was fun while it lasted, right?
Let's go get that duck. Okay, we're gonna attack that duck. Or maybe that duck. With a big stick and poke it. Hello, ducky kid. Alright, go to the side now.
Bloody karma.
That big thing scares me.
Duck with herpes on its face.
This is so on YouTube, eh? Going for a swim, Jess?
Oh, it's so hard. Oh shit, that looks like a nose.
Okay, we're going to go down to see what Jess... Oh my god! Wait, let me... Oh my god, it looks like a face.
It's a rock.
It's a what?
A rock. It looks like a face, hey?
No, it looks like bones.
It's like a bridge.
Okay.
London Bridge.
Well, I hope you like us attacking ducks.
It wasn't a duck, Harry.
Yeah, it was a
Duck
duck
with
with herpes on its face. Okay,
Yeah.
well,
We call it